Greeting a neighbor for the first time marks an impression. Do it right by watching this video. Hello, my name is Hide and welcome to Chapter 2 of Japanese Unlimited. If you're new to our channel and wish to watch our previous episodes, just click here. For Chapter 2, we will be giving you example situations and dialogues, then explain to you what they mean so you could be familiar and later on use them yourself. In this video, we will look into a conversation about meeting a new neighbor. Let's get into it. それでは始めましょう。We will have a new format for this chapter. There will be two characters. Mark, the foreigner, and Mr. Kimura, the Japanese local. We will listen to their conversation and I will explain to you what they mean later. Also, please pay attention to the intonation and pronunciation. Let's listen.
はじめまして。隣に越しました。マークです。よろしくお願いします。
こちらこそ、木村です。わざわざありがとうございました。いつから日本にいますか
？3月からです。
日本語上手ですね。困ったことがあったらおっしゃってくださいね。
ありがとうございます。よろしくお願いします。
Let's try to look at the conversation per line. Mark said on his first line, はじめまして、隣に引っ越しましたマークです。よろしくお願いします。This means, Hello, my name is Mark. I just moved in next door. Pleased to meet you. Let's practice. はじめまして。隣に引っ越しましたマークです。よろしくお願いします。What about Mr. Kimura's first answer? こちらこそ木村です。わざわざありがとうございました。いつから日本にいますか？ This means The pleasure is mine. Thank you. I'm Kimura. Since when have you been in Japan? Let's practice. こちらこそ木村です。わざわざありがとうございました。いつから日本にいますか？What did Mark answer? 3月からです。This means since March. Let's practice. 3月からです。Then Mr. Kimura said, 日本語上手ですね。困ったことがあったらおっしゃってくださいね。This means Your Japanese is very good. If you're having trouble with anything, please ask. Let's practice. 日本語上手ですね。困ったことがあったらおっしゃってくださいね。Let's go to the last line by Mark. He said, ありがとうございます。よろしくお願いします。This means, Thank you. Please look after me. Let's practice. ありがとうございます。よろしくお願いします。That's a very simple and basic first-time conversation with your new neighbor. I'm sure that you can use them smoothly with constant practice. Let's review by listening to the conversation one more time.
はじめまして。隣に越しました。マークです。よろしくお願いします。
こちらこそ、木村です。わざわざありがとうございました。いつから日本にいますか
？3月からです。
日本語上手ですね。困ったことがあったらおっしゃってくださいね。
ありがとうございます。よろしくお願いします。
I hope you have learned something new today, and don't hesitate to watch this video again to practice with us. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. And also, please hit the notification bell if you wish to be notified every time we upload a brand new lesson video. Because in this channel, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you on our next video. またね。